the coronavirus broke out and it has taken the world by surprise, and we're still trying to figure out how we can drive this invisible enemy away. While doing so, I think it is important that we throw some light on the positive aspect of all of this. What can we take and turn to an advantage? So today I'm going to be talking about certain advantages that we can get from the coronavirus outbreak. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Tatiana, and today I'm going to be taking our minds off of all of the negativity and all of the confusion and panic and fear that we're all facing today in the different parts of the world. I just want to make this disclaimer that I am not a medical professional, I am not a scientist, and I do encourage staying home as much as possible, washing of hands, and all the general procedures recommended by the World Health Organization and the different governments. It is important to follow them and to stay informed. Let's take a look at some advantages that the coronavirus has brought about, okay? The first one being the climate. Now, have you noticed these days that the climate is a little bit obedient? We've had 3 million tons of carbon less emission into the air, according to the climate group, which is an environmental watch group. And the NASA took pictures of China a couple of days ago with clearer skies and clearer waters than ever. So we see that less movement and less transportation usage has led to the positive effect on the climate, okay? Our air is cleaner and natural waters are a little bit cleaner because there's less pollution. So another benefit is that this has led to an increase in creativity rate. Obviously, the world has never faced such a situation before, so I'm sure the best scientists, the best medical doctors, and just the best thinkers are at work right now trying to figure this out. And this is, of course, as necessity is the mother of invention, will bring about a lot of inventions that will benefit the medical field and just life in general, even after this pandemic goes away. So that could be something that we could look at on an individual level. We can all explore this to see how this can benefit us both economically or otherwise. Right now, we also have the fact that a lot of businesses and schools are going online. Entrepreneurs who haven't invested in websites and mobile app development, this will be the time to take advantage of that and just get your company or your business online. I have a very good recommendation, High Up Web, which are professionals that can help you with that. Just let me know in the comment section if you'll be interested, and I'll be sure to hook you up with them. Now, you should also take advantage of the business opportunities that are out here. Now, I'm not saying you should change the pricing of your merchandises. I really condemn those who are hoarding items as well as those who are increasing prices unnecessarily on items. It's not correct. I'm talking about taking advantage of the fact that presently there is high demand in products such as lemons or little farm products like gingers or hand sanitizers. So if you have any knowledge on the production of these, now will be a good time for you to take advantage and put this on the market, okay? Because the supply is very low and the demand is very high. So that would be something we can take advantage of, as well as stocks. There's a lot of opportunities as far as investment is concerned. A lot of people are kind of scared to invest now because nobody knows how long this issue is going to last. But if you're someone that is brave enough and has the resources, now will be a good time to invest in some businesses which may need that extra boost to function. So just be on the lookout for posts around town. I see a lot of fonds de commerce available, so we can take advantage of that, and this could be a life investment for us. Another thing is that coronavirus is going to reduce brain drain significantly. Our views on immigration and the dream of falling bush is all different now because we know that that is where the coronavirus has originated, and a lot of our dream countries are the countries that are suffering the most. So this is going to kind of to make us change our perspective and want to invest more at home rather than going to invest abroad. I know that you can argue this, but let's be on the good side here and let's keep things bright. Okay, immigration is going to change, and we're even pondering the possibility of it being reversed, of them wanting to come in here. And we've even seen some stories where some foreigners don't want to leave. So the tables could turn here, and this could just be of a great advantage to us. Who knows? Another major advantage is that families can be together, and that family bond can just be more solidified. There's more women that are seeing their husbands home, and that, thank God for that. More children who are seeing their parents home in general, and just haven't had that opportunity to do that. It's an opportunity then now to solidify those bonds. I wouldn't want to forget to give a shout out and really heartfelt courage to all the healthcare personnel who are doing their best, and all those who are working in terms of assuring our security, making sure that people are respecting the rules. We just want to give them a kudos and more courage to them. Lastly, I'm going to touch on the aspect of spreading remedies. I mean, on WhatsApp, it's crazy. Everybody has become a medical professional, can give advice. I mean, I don't have a problem with you telling people to drink natural products like lemon, aloe vera, ginger, turmeric, and all of that, which I don't think that you can really overdose on them. But when you go to the extent of asking people to consume chemical bicarbonate or medicines without contacting medical professionals, it becomes very dangerous and very deadly. We can end up causing more diseases while trying to prevent one. So let's be on the watch out for that. Don't believe everything you see on WhatsApp. Always try to Google stuff, and always Google from a reliable source. And when you're not sure of a remedy or any message that is being sent, don't be in a haste to forward it, because there's a lot of ignorant people that are going to pick it up and not think twice and are just going to adopt it. Bicarbonate actually causes liver failure, so you don't want to consume a lot of that. And there's a message going around saying that the medicine has been discovered in Israel or whatever, and it's lime and bicarbonate. Please confirm always with a medical professional before consuming any product in excess. Thank you very much for sticking around. Remember to like, comment, share, as well as subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be aware. Let me know if there's any other advantage that you think can be derived from this, and I'll be very happy to educate myself and others. Have a nice day. Till next time.